Hello viewers, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I will show you on how Keeper Password Manager works. And if you have not watched the how to download and install Keeper Password Manager, please check it out in the description box or in my YouTube channel. So let's head on to it. This is how it looks like. You enter your email address here. Enter your email address, you set your master password, a very long password that it will be secure. And then if you forget something, this is the security question you brought. What's your nickname? What's the name of your favorite childhood friend? In what city did you meet your spouse or significant other? What's your favorite movie? What's the name of the first boy or girl you kissed? What are the last 5 characters of your driver's license? You can create your own question like that. You can write the security answer, then you can create account. As simple as that. This is how it looks like. So this question of security. And if you want to log in here, if you have a Vault login, you can just write your master password after you create an account. And then there is an email address. You can it's very good. You can use it for your business because you must save your passwords. You can use enterprise login just to connect. This is as simple as that. Enterprise domain, you just do it and then you connect. As simple as that. And let's look for, you can new record, edit record. You can edit your record, you can delete your record after you save, and then you can save record. Simple as that. This is the most amazing thing I ever seen. And make sure you download RusVPN. It's in my description box. Check the link in the description link so that you can have a fast and secure connection. Please make sure you subscribe to it. It has a subscription plan for 1 month, for 3 months, for 3 years, and 1 year plan. That's how you will do it. You can undo, you can redo, you can cache, you can copy, you can paste and match and style, delete, you can reload, you can actual save, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can toggle full screen, you minimize, you close, you can help, about quick start guide, purchase Keeper now, you frequently asked questions, you can ask for customer support. As simple as that. So make sure you look at it. As simple as that. And it will be you will have a Keeper security in your computer. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you continue watching my content, and please share with your family and friends so that they can protect their Keeper password. You can save your password and have a very secured password so that your accounts, your bank accounts will be so secure. And also remember, RusVPN has given us a gift, a 70% discount if you use my promo code G20. As simple as that. If you have not seen that video, go and check it out in the description link. I will put it in the description link. So check it out, and please make sure you share this channel to your family and friends. Simple as that. And please make sure you stay safe, and let me see you in the next video. Okay, and comment down below. Okay, don't forget to comment down below. If you like the video, like the video. Please comment down below. For any suggestions you have, please put it out. Thank you.